Good morning, students. Today we will learn about magnetic field due to current in a solenoid. Now, what is a solenoid? A solenoid is a coil of many turns of an insulated copper wire wound in the shape of a cylinder. Its length is very much greater as compared to its diameter. You all must have seen the spring of a pen. It resembles that of a solenoid. Now, when an electric current passes through the ends of the solenoid, when an electric current passes through the ends of the solenoid, a magnetic field is set up around the solenoid, which is similar to that of a magnetic field of a bar magnet, which you can see from this figure. So what happens when a current is passed through a solenoid? By connecting a battery to the free ends of the solenoid, the current entering the solenoid at one end passes through each turn and comes out at the other turn. Each turn produces its own magnetic field. So when an electric current flows through a solenoid, a magnetic field is set up around a solenoid which is similar to that of a bar magnet. I hope you all remember the magnetic field, magnetic field set up by the bar magnet. The field lines inside the solenoid are in the form of parallel lines, which you can see from the figure that they are in the form of parallel lines, which indicates that magnetic field is same at all points inside the solenoid. That is, the magnetic field is uniform inside the solenoid. Okay, and outside the magnet it is similar to that of a bar magnet. Okay. Now the direction of the magnetic field inside the solenoid can be found by using the right hand thumb rule. Now the magnitude of magnetic field of the solenoid depends on the amount of current flowing through the solenoid, that it is directly proportional to the amount of current flowing through the solenoid. More the amount of current, more is the strength of the magnetic field. Secondly, it depends on the number of turns per unit length. More the number of turns, more is the strength of the magnetic field, because I have already told you that each turn produces its own magnetic field. Now, what are the characteristics of magnetic field due to current carrying solenoid? So, you can see from the figure only that magnetic field inside a long solenoid is uniform. Inside the long solenoid is uniform, that is same at all points and is strong. Magnetic field outside the solenoid is non-uniform and weak. Now, magnetic field inside the long solenoid decreases as we move towards the ends of the solenoid, because the magnetic field lines near the ends of the solenoid starts spreading out. Now, magnetic field lines inside the solenoid are from south pole to the north pole, and outside the solenoid it is from the north pole to the south pole. The magnetic field of a solenoid resembles the magnetic field of a bar magnet. Now, what is the use of solenoid? Solenoid is used to make an electromagnet. You must have learnt about electromagnet in class 8 also. So, what is an electromagnet? So, when a soft iron bar is placed inside a solenoid carrying current, it becomes a magnet as long as the current flows through the solenoid. Okay. So, electromagnet is a temporary magnet. It becomes magnet as long as the current flows through the solenoid, and the magnet so formed is called an electromagnet. So it loses its magnetism the moment the current is stopped. Now, what how can we increase the strength of electromagnet? The strength of electromagnet can be increased by increasing the current through the solenoid. That is, more the current, more is the strength of electromagnet, and by increasing the turns of the solenoid. More the turns of the solenoid, stronger is the electromagnet. Now the electromagnets have many uses. They are used to lift heavy iron pieces. They are fitted on cranes carrying heavy objects of scrap iron in the industries and factories. They are also used in many devices like electric bell, electric horns, electric motors, etc. Now, if someone asks you what is the difference between an electromagnet and a permanent magnet, so we have learned just now that electromagnet retains its magnetism till the current is passing through it. The moment the current stops, the electromagnet loses its magnetism. So let us discuss the difference between electromagnet and a permanent magnet. So an electromagnet is a temporary magnet, and it can be demagnetized easily by stopping electric current passing through the solenoid, whereas permanent magnet cannot be demagnetized easily. It can be demagnetized either by heating it or throwing it times and again on the floor from certain height. Then second difference is electromagnet gives a strong magnetic field, whereas a magnetic field of a permanent magnet is weak. Number 3, the strength of the magnetic field produced by electromagnet can be increased or decreased by increasing or decreasing electric current through the solenoid. Just now I told you that the strength of magnetic field produced by electromagnet depends on two factors, the amount of current and the number of turns. So the strength of magnetic field produced by electromagnet can be increased or decreased by increasing or decreasing the electric current through the solenoid. The strength of the magnetic field produced by permanent magnet cannot be changed. We cannot change the strength of the magnetic field produced by permanent magnet. Then the polarity, that is the north pole and south pole of an electromagnet, can be reversed by reversing the direction of electric current through the solenoid. When we reverse the direction of the current, its north and south poles also gets reversed. So the polarity of the electromagnet can be changed, but the polarity of the permanent magnet can never be changed, can never be reversed. You cannot reverse the north pole and south pole of a permanent magnet. It will remain as it is. So these are the differences between an electromagnet and a permanent magnet. So students, for today this much only. Write down the notes in your copy and study thoroughly. Thank you.